Jaundice. In Hindi, we known as a pilia. In Gujarati, we known as a kamro. What is jaundice? Jaundice is basically yellow eyes, yellow skin, yellow discoloration of the eyes and the skin, and sometimes urine as well. That is known as jaundice. You might have heard that all the newborn who is born get the jaundice. Why the newborn is getting the jaundice? What is the reason behind that? Why God is so cruel that it is giving jaundice to each and every newborn? Why? All these things I am going to discuss today in this video. Welcome back. I am Dr. Nilesh Panchal, specialist pediatrician. Thank you. All the newborn who is born is getting the jaundice. How we know he got the jaundice? Baby's eyes will become yellowish color and baby's skin will become yellowish color. Sometimes they pass the urine which is yellow in the color. Her diaper will stain yellow. That's how we know the child is getting the jaundice. But why he is getting the jaundice? Actually, what happens when the baby is inside the womb? Baby is growing with the low oxygen. The oxygen which comes to the mother, on that oxygen baby is growing. As soon as the baby is out, baby is in the air, baby cry and baby will inhale lot of amount of the oxygen. This excess oxygen cause harm to the newborn's body. To counter effect of the oxygen which causes the harm inside the body, the God has created one chemical which is known as a bilirubin. So bilirubin will increase and it will fight with the effect of the oxygen. The color of the bilirubin is the yellow. That's why we are seeing the newborn's eyes and the body as a yellow color. So understand the logic of the nature that as the baby came out, baby took lot of oxygen and lot of oxygen caused the injury to the baby. That's why God has created this bilirubin. This bilirubin counter effect the harmful effect of the oxygen. Now next question, from where this bilirubin come? The bilirubin comes in the body from the destruction of the hemoglobin. In our body, in our red blood cells, there is a chemical known as a hemoglobin, and this hemoglobin breaks and it will form the bilirubin, and this bilirubin is of the yellow color. Now we will ask that if the hemoglobin is breaking, then child will have the low hemoglobin. Don't worry, God has solved that problem also. The newborn who is born has very high hemoglobin, that is somewhere around 14 to 16 gram of a hemoglobin. Our routine normal hemoglobin is somewhere around 12 to 13 gram. So the God has given the excess hemoglobin to the newborn baby. When he will come out, that hemoglobin will disintegrate or the break down into the bilirubin, and this bilirubin counter effect the harmful effect of the oxygen. How complex it is. The God has created the body in such a nice way that the newborn should not get any harm. Generally, the jaundice develops on the 4th or the 5th day of the life. Then slowly it increases. Then after 5 or 7 days it will start reducing by its own. In some of the children it requires a special treatment known as a phototherapy. Phototherapy means it is a blue color light. In that light we will put the baby below that light so that light will absorb the bilirubin from the newborn's body, so that bilirubin will get evaporated by that light, so that baby's jaundice is getting cleared. The proportion of the getting the phototherapy or the blue color light is very less. So far most of the children come out of this jaundice without any treatment. There is some myth that we have to keep the baby in the sunlight so that the jaundice will reduce. This is myth only. The jaundice which is in the newborn will not get reduced by showing the sunlight. Some doctors prescribe some medications to reduce the jaundice like the phenobarbital, but most of the children doesn't require that. As a parent, what you can do at home when the child develops the jaundice? The First and foremost important thing for the parents whenever child has a jaundice is to adequately feed the baby. You have to feed the baby every 2 to 3 hourly so that child will pass enough amount of the urine, and some of the bilirubin get passed through this urine. So the message is, whenever child has a jaundice, no need to get tense. It is a normal process for all the newborn. What you can do at home is adequately hydrate the newborn baby. No need to show the sunlight to the baby, and consult your doctor. Know the level of the jaundice. If the bilirubin goes very high, then sometime it requires to exchange the blood, but that proportion is very less. So don't get worried about the newborn jaundice. It is very common phenomenon. I hope this video must be useful to you and it has cleared your doubt that why the newborns are getting the jaundice and what you can do at home. If you like the video, press the like button, spread with your friends, spread with the new mother so that they know that why the newborns are getting the jaundice and what they can do at home. And next onwards, don't show the sunlight to your baby when there is a jaundice. Thank you very much.